Hi, my name is Yushin, the developer behind the new financial report scheduling feature that's coming to Business Central. This feature will let you send financial reports automatically on a recurring schedule. And in this video, I'll be giving a quick demo of how this works. Let's start by going to Financial Reports and have a look at the Cash Flow Report. Under Definitions, you'll find a new Schedules action. This will take us to the new Financial Report Schedules page, where you'll find all that's required to start sending out financial reports. Here, I have created a setup that will send out the cash flow report on a monthly basis. Let's go through the basics. By selecting Export to Excel and Export to PDF, the report will be sent to my report inbox in both of these formats. By selecting Send Email as well, the report will also be emailed to my nominated recipients. The Next Run Date Time field lets me select when the report will be first sent, and the Recurrence Run Date formula will determine the cadence following that. Finally, I have selected myself as the sole recipient of this report. So, what does this look like when the report is sent? This will be the email you receive. I have received the report in both formats, which I have selected. Back in Business Central, I would have also received the reports in my report inbox, which we can find by using the Logs action. Additionally, you can set up reporting options and filters that are specific to each schedule using custom filters. This will open the familiar report request page. Here, I will select a different negative amount format for this financial report schedule. Similarly, if you want to select a date filter that's different to the default date filter on the financial report, you can do so using the start and end date filter formulas. And that's all for this video. I hope you go and give financial report scheduling a try when it releases in the near future.